Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. Just when you think you can sit down and relax in front of your fire pit, you go to fire it up and it doesn't work. Sometimes the fix is simpler than you think. Let me show you how. First up, it may be obvious, but always check the fuel. This full tank has a little blue cap on there. You know that's full and it's quite heavy. The other tank is a little bit light and has a different sound. Looks like we have enough fuel. One of the things you want to keep in mind is always open the valve on the tank first, not the fire pit. If you open up the valve on the fire pit first and then the tank, the safety check valve on the tank will engage and stop the flow of the fuel. If your fire pit is still not lighting, it could be the igniter. Some of these igniters are battery operated. Look for the battery compartment and replace the battery. Make sure the polarities are correct. If there's no spark, your igniter could be bad. Check the wire connection from the igniter button to the igniter. All good there. Time to remove the lava rock and inspect the igniter. Another problem you can have with these fire pits is dirty burners, and the burner ports get clogged. It's a good idea to vacuum out the burner port. Now we check the igniter, everything's go with that. It could be your gas line. You may have a leak in one of the fittings or the line might be cracked. If you think you might have a leak, you can get some gas leak detector from your hardware store for a couple of bucks. Once you spray on the leak detector, slowly turn on your gas valve and you may discover some bubbles. Then you know you have a leak. Well, we didn't find any leaks, but you know what? If you hear a whistling sound, you could have a bend in your flexible line. Some of these appliances come with thermocouples. Thermocouple is an electronic switch. You may want to get professional help from a technician to help you with that. I think what ours came down to was a dirty igniter. Great, it works. For more solutions to problems like these, visit us at familyhandyman.com.